So hello, and we've got another video for you here. It's Saturday the 14th of December 2024, and we're going to film you the Rolling Thunder charity tractor run, which should come through here pretty soon. So hopefully we will get you some really good video of that, and you should enjoy it. It's been quite a wet day today. We've had quite a lot of rain. Not too cold. It's showing 5 degrees, but it does feel a little bit warmer than that. So let's have a look and let's wait for it to come through. I don't know how many tractors there's going to be, but we did look at one last year and there was quite a lot of them. So we'll see as it comes through in a bit. So we have got some houses there, quite nicely dressed up. They look really good. They've got lights on the front, a star under the bedroom window and over the living room window. And then the house a little bit further up to the left has got some really nice coloured lights on it. So it's just gone 5 o'clock now, and hopefully the tractor run isn't far away. It should have actually started now, so we'll keep waiting. As soon as I see them, I'll start filming them for you. It's absolutely amazing how busy this junction here. I've been standing here now for about 10 minutes waiting for the tractors, and the number of cars that turn out of Pennyfields Road here onto the main road is just absolutely colossal. So we have got now a few people just standing around. There's some people behind me and there's some people across the road there. So I would say we're not long now to wait before the tractors start coming through. And I did say it wasn't too cold, but I've been standing here now about 15 minutes and believe me, I'm freezing. So here we go. I can hear the horns of the first tractor, and I think it's just coming round the corner now in front of us. Like I say, I don't know how many are going to come. But he's just stuck at the top. He's struggling to get through. Just having quite a busy smell of cars here. It looks like it's a big truck that's going to start the tractor run off, and it's coming now with its flashing lights. But as I say, unfortunately, it's got really busy on the junction here. So let's see what happens. Blowing his horn there. I don't know whether he's got a tractor or anything on the back, but here we go. Look at this old tractor here. Wow, it's amazing. All his Christmas lights on it. We've got another one there, people are waiting, another tractor. Some very old ones here. Look at these. Absolutely fantastic. So glad I can bring this to you tonight, this film. Like I say, they've all got the coloured lights on them. A little bit newer there, another very old one. Look at that, quite big in here. The size of the wheels on some of these tractors is just absolutely massive. And check this old one out here. Wow, look at that, look at that one. This is just absolutely amazing. They've got Santrax on, they're peeping their horns. Some of these tractors are so old. Listen at that one now revving up. That one's got a trailer on it, all dressed up for Kidsgrove. The car blowing his horn, waving. Another Land Rover. Look at this Land Rover with all the lights on here. That's absolutely amazing. And there's more and more and more tractors to come down here. Look at that van. Trucks and tyres. Another, it's a Land Rover blowing horns with people waving. Look at how that one's lit up. We've got another truck in a second. Old pickup truck now with guys with sand tracks, and they're all waving as they come past. Another big lorry. Look at the decorations he's got on that lorry there. They are absolutely brilliant. And we've got Santa on the back there. Look at that. Wow. There's Santa waving to you. And there's still more coming. So I'd say this has been coming down now for about 4 minutes. Look at this amazing truck. Lost count now how many have actually come down. So there you go. That's been absolutely fabulous. I'm so glad I've been able to film that for you. Amazing. But like I say, that was absolutely fabulous. We've got quite a lot of people watching there on the corner, and we will bring you probably another tractor run later on in the week. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, please share, and of course please subscribe.